Today we got a goodie for you. We got a package. You see it. Advanblack. Alright, so you see it here. Advanblack box. This one came from eBay though. And the reason that it came from eBay is because this is what they call the OSD. OSD means open ship damage, I think. Something like that. So let's see what we ordered from Advanblack OSD. Alright, so open the box. What do we have here? The usual suspects, looks like to me. So inside the box, y'all know what it is yet? So inside the box, we got the hardware, the Advanblack sticker, the screw to hold it down if you need it. In the box, like usual. You know what I'm saying? So almost like I ordered it from them. And as you can see, got the Advanblack bag. This is definitely more than I was expecting. I guess if you were to order something OSD, then you know you'd expect it to be on this last leg, not packaged as nice as it would have been if, you know what I mean? So let me get it out all of this and then I'll cut y'all back. Alright, so first look, as you can see, Advanblack. This is the Raptor seat, I believe. The Cobra was gonna be a close second, but I prefer the diamonds over the hexagons. So see here that the seat is a seat. The seat is indeed a seat. I mean, honestly, bro, I don't see where the damage is, if there is any damage. I mean, everything looks to be intact. Maybe it was just one that was opened and whatever. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it wasn't necessarily damaged. I mean, you are able to see the pictures of the product before, like, you commit to it. But yeah, I don't. I mean, unless you're talking about that right there, but. I don't know. Put it around this side. I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with it. Nothing whatsoever. So, you know what we're here for? We're gonna slap on this hardware and then we're gonna see what's really good. First impressions of the seat, etc. From the Advanblack, the Raptor. I was gonna do the Cobra, but like I said, I prefer the diamond stitch over the other one. Prefer the diamond stitch over the hexagon. So it's all right, and we are here at the bike. I already took the lock off and everything like that. And now we just gotta lift up on our old seat. Like I said, old seat, not terrible. Don't know who it was made by. Like some people was telling me, I believe it's just a rewrap of a Harley Davidson seat, and that is probably indicative of that right there. And the fact that it says Harley Davidson right there. So either way, this is an upgrade over stock seat because this is nothing but a stock seat rewrap. So before we go ahead and throw it on there, I was gonna try to put it kind of side to side, see if we can see any real differences. My biggest concern is that it might lift me up too high, but I don't think it'll be the end of the world. So that's them side to side. Alright, so this should probably change the whole look of the bike, man. Because I mean, that gator on there has been, I guess, like a staple. You know what I'm saying? But the material in this seat is definitely supposed to be better than what's in that stock. So let me get this seat on and put it back on. And there it is, man. I gotta admit, it looks good. It looks good. I'm gonna grab my boots that I usually ride in and see where we are sitting stance wise. But yeah, I mean, I knew that black was gonna hit. Can't miss. Still got like a little, we got a little ostrich pattern in there. So we big fancy over here. So yeah. So this is supposed to have that gel core technology in there. So like I said, it's supposed to. The real reason, I guess, is to just see if it's gonna have us at a more comfortable ride, absorb some more of that road stuff, and then just go from there. Road vibrations, etc. So let's go put some. Hold on. So this is the backrest from the previous backrest, which I'm gonna have to rock until I get a black one. I'll look on eBay, see if they just got a regular black one or a black diamond stitch one. But it'll fit right between there, and then it'll be good to go. Better with two hands. Alright, so this part I feel like I wanted to record with the 360 because that's the best way to, I guess, capture me sitting on the bike for the first time or whatever. So here we are. I wonder if that's what was flapping in that video. Alright, so for the first impressions, I feel like I may be actually a little bit flat. Like my foot or my feet are actually on the ground. Could it be a little bit lower? Possibly. But I mean, that feels good. At first reaction type shit. We're gonna go ahead and back her out the garage. The other video we just did the other day, we just made the changes to the air cleaner, which we were not sure if we needed to put a tune on it or whatever. It seemed to run fine yesterday, didn't throw no codes. I'm assuming we just good to go. I think today we're gonna do something similar. Like I said, get the first reaction on the new seat. I think I like it. I think I like it already. Of course, you gotta ride it to really see. But first impression, I thought we could be good. So let me grab a helmet and then let's see what's up. Like I almost feel like on some Carlos Miller shit, like stop touching shit. But I needed to know if a different seat was on this one. But like I said, I don't know. Really, like maybe just the seat being adjusted. I don't know if it's the buttons, existed all the way. I don't know, but it already feels a little bit more comfortable. I'm gonna go get the tunes.
You know who made it.
So being that being that it's set up like that, so like I said, like the seat looks good. But I'm not even worried about taking it back. For it to match aesthetically pleasing. So I think regular price. Yeah, so regular price is like $285 after tax. I think it was like right at $310. And regular price for this helmet or for this seat is like both. Let me not lie to you. $429 for tax and shit. So at first, like I felt the ride more flat-footed than they had probably been before. And I got it down to where I usually have it down. I definitely feel like it's probably closer to where I'm at.
pistol with a drink of the people. Everybody put your hands up. We came to party. Crack the top about with the Hennessy. A party ladies.
It be sometimes with these quick stops, man. I wish I just had I wish I did have a security shit, but I feel like maybe most shit could go wrong. It's the same way I feel about job I wanted to set up with our body, doing that. Like just by changing the seat, like bro, that's all I can do. I think I'm so used to getting on my fucking bike from this side, it feels fucking normal. Here, let's try it from the other side. Make sure we can still do it. Man, you see, I love hands down. Advanblack, wrap the seat for the win. Tiffany Renee tried to tell y'all, Advanblack. I'm telling you.